Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to download NordVPN on Samsung Smart TV. First, open NordVPN on your computer or phone. Go to your NordVPN account dashboard in a browser. Inside your account, find the NordVPN services section. Here, enable the Smart DNS feature. Once you enable it, NordVPN will provide you with the Smart DNS address. Now go to your Samsung Smart TV, open Settings from the home screen. Then go to Network. After that, select Network Status. Wait for the connection check to complete, then choose IP Settings. Inside IP Settings, set DNS to enter manually. Now type in the NordVPN Smart DNS address that you received from your NordVPN account. Make sure the numbers are correct. After entering the address, select Done and save the settings. Restart your TV to apply the changes. Your Samsung Smart TV will now use NordVPN Smart DNS. Another way is to configure NordVPN directly on your router. This works only if your router supports VPN client mode. First, open your router admin panel in a browser. You can usually access it by typing your router's IP address into the address bar. Log in to your router. Then find the VPN section or VPN client section. Choose to add a new VPN profile. You can select OpenVPN if it is available. You may need to log into your NordVPN account and generate a token. This is usually found in the NordVPN services section under Manual Setup. Copy the token. Paste the token into the required field in your router settings and complete the setup. Save the configuration and connect the VPN. Finally, make sure your Samsung Smart TV is connected to that router network by adding it to the device list. Once connected, your TV will use the NordVPN server through the router. Thanks for watching.